Guys, magawa tayo ng pudding. So, 1 cup. Lagay natin dito sa scissor, guys. Guys, flour. Next flour tayo. Okay. Then, lagyan natin ng salt, guys. So, okay. Tapos, lagyan natin ng 3 egg. Okay. Then, blend natin. I-blend natin siya. Okay. Okay, i-blend na natin na. I-blend na natin na. Ilagay natin sa rep. Okay, mamaya na yung atin ng i-refrigerate natin ng 1 oras. Tapos, yun na. Okay. Ito yan. Perfect. 400, 220. Okay, guys, it's already.
What is that?
Yeah. We call this, Judy, is Yorkshire pudding. Yeah. I see that Yorkshire pudding. I see. Guys, ito na ang ating Yorkshire pudding. Yorkshire.